In front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Then to activate it, use this icon at the top right corner. And to go back to your standard keyboard, this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. Paste it right away by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard or by clicking on Clipboard and tapping on it here. If you want to pin one of your sentences or words, use this pen at the top right corner, click on the chosen one and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. In order to delete one of those sentences, use this pen at the top right corner again, click on your sentence and choose Delete button. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe.